Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholders meeting is this weekend. Capitalists from across the country are heading to Omaha to learn all they can from Warren Buffett. At UNO, there's a 3-day course called The Genius of Warren Buffett, taught by one of the leading experts on the Oracle of Omaha. Reporter Phil Bergman is live in studio with more. Phil?
Thanks, Jenny. The class is in its 9th year at UNO, and in it, the students analyze everything about Buffett's investing, from his purchasing trends to his failures. This isn't your normal class, though. Many of the attendees are high-profile investors and money managers looking for that extra edge in investing.
And then look what happens to cash flow, kind of stable.
This may look super boring to you, all this talk on assets, margins, and yields. But for those in attendance, it's Christmas in April.
This course helps you far beyond just valuing Berkshire A share or B share.
We should maybe call this class the Warren Buffett Fanboy Club 101.
A very unique course, the only one in the world that is offered, so it's one of a kind. You're not going to get it anywhere but Omaha. You can see the long-term debt, though.
Bob Miles is the course's instructor. Writer of 3 books on Buffett, he says even the most experienced investors can learn from Warren Buffett's techniques.
He proves that it is possible to get extraordinarily wealthy and do it in an honorable, ethical way.
Of the 25 people in attendance, roughly 80% are international guests spanning 16 countries and 6 continents, all trying to learn what they can about the Oracle from Omaha.
If you're going to take a 10-hour flight plus, it needs to be for a good reason, and I think Warren Buffett is the good reason to do that.
The class attendees include some of the top money managers in the world and some just getting their feet wet in investing.
He's a genius, but he's very inspiring for me at least, and he's a champion of the world in his field, and he's the best example we can have.
For Michelle Bell, it's now a family affair. His daughter got her MBA last week and is joining Dad.
So even though finance is not my focus, that's something I'm interested in, and I mean it's always been part of our life because Dad's been doing this since forever, basically. So I've heard a lot about it, and I'm starting to invest myself, and just something I wanted to know more about.
And for all in attendance, the lessons learned will help them manage their money.
He's a must, and my God, you learn from this guy like tons of things, not only investments, about life.
And all the attendees say their favorite thing about Warren Buffett is his generosity and how much he's donated to charity. The 3-day course costs $3,000 to attend. While that might seem high, but the attendees say the return on investment is worth it. So what tips can you as a junior take away from this class? Professor Miles says Buffett's trick is to stay patient over the long term and to keep it simple. Reporting in studio, Phil Bergman, 3 News Now.